Please be a good roll. MRS Stock Car Review. The third generation Toyota MRS started production in 1999 until 2007. The MRS is a soft-top convertible, or Spider if you prefer biology, with an MR setup, hence the name. These rolled out the factory with a 1ZZ FE engine, a 1.8-liter 4-pot producing 138 brake horsepower and 126 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 took 6.8 seconds, which was marginally slower than the supercharged AW11 and the turbocharged SW20, with both taking 6.5 and 6.1 seconds to do the same feat. What it lacks in the power department, it makes up for it in the handling department. The MRS also comes complete with body kits, so you can turn this timeless Toyota to that. That has been episode 1 of Stock Car Review, featuring the Toyota MRS.
Why are you reviewing stock cars in the digital plane?
Shut up.
Oh.
Wow.
Yay!